How to manage AI teams using Openbase AI. First, open your browser and go to the Openbase AI website. After signing in, you'll arrive at the chat workspace, which is where your team collaborates with AI models. On the left side, you'll see the Conversations panel. Click New Chat to start a new discussion or project with your team. You can organize different topics into separate conversations, making it easy to keep work structured. At the bottom of the chat box, choose the AI model you'd like to use, such as Claude Sonnet 5, or select another available model. You can also click the Skill option to apply specialized AI capabilities for different tasks. Next, type your question or project request in the message box. For example, you can ask the AI to summarize documents, create reports, generate marketing content, or help with coding and research. Press the Send button to receive AI-generated responses. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the Context and Working Folder panels. Use Context to provide background information for more accurate answers, and upload files to the Working Folder so your AI assistant can reference documents while helping your team. If you want others to collaborate, click the Invite Experts button at the top of the page to add teammates or subject matter experts to the conversation. That's it. You've successfully learned how to manage AI teams using Openbase AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video